Time it is, it's unboxing. It's unboxing. Let's go. I have my scissors just in case I needed it. Alright, I wanted to share these with you guys. Seems like nobody wants to wear the underwires these days, so here we go. I thought these might have been okay, so I grabbed a pair. They were 20 bucks. And they come in assortment of colors. So we got the gray. We have the sage. We have the pink. Oh yeah, you know we have to have a black one, right? And white. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I got those for $20. And I believe that came from TEMU. Alright. Alright, got another unboxing. Be careful when you use these scissors. You never know what you're going to end up cutting up. So I got a cruise. And I've been looking for my swimsuit. And here we go. I think that's cute. I like the color. We got the little bra. We got the little cover up. And the boy shorts. Yeah. Ooh, totally do. Now, they're going in the washer. I'm going to wash these with my bras. Okay, so anything I get nowadays, there's issues with colors and things like that. I go ahead and wash it. And then add a little of the, and I put it on delicate. I know most people don't want to wash their new stuff, but these days, even if you get it out the regular store, how many people have tried it on? Then I will try it. I have those little laundry boosters, and now I'm going to add my swimsuit, and we're going to wash them on delicate. And so a little bit more detail about it is they have these pads in there. You can take them out. They have a little hole up here so you can take them out. Pretty much, this thing does roll. But I like the way it looks like that though. I really do. The back, I feel like even though it's not holding it in, I like the fact that it's covering it. And I think that's cool. Because, you know, when you get older, yes, they're going to go down. And sometimes you don't want to do the underwire thing. I mean, you just don't. And these, if they came in more colors, yes, I would get some more. I'm actually thinking maybe I'll just pull my sewing machine out and make them. So, if I made them, comment below. And I sold them in a 5-pack. Would you guys buy them? I'm curious. And then I'm gonna make them a little bit more. With Joanne's clothes, I don't know what the material is looking like, so I might have to come to California and get my material. But I would like it to be a little bit more sturdier. And then there's no underwire in there, and so that's cool. And yeah, so you guys let me know what you think. Comment below. It's your girl SJ here with real beauty, real food, and real life. This is the little sports bra pack that TEMU sells. And you get 5 basic colors for $20. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.